In this video we are going to talk about top 7 best car speakers for bass and sound quality. So before starting this video, like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for future updates. Today's cars all have built-in speakers so that the driver and passengers can listen to music and enjoy the ride. In order for the car's sound system to function, the manufacturers install a simple one. The owners of cars who are picky about sound quality, however, will not be happy with such a basic sound system. Many car owners favor powerful bass and excellent sound quality. For bass and sound quality, it is necessary to buy external car speakers. There are a number of factors to consider when buying car speakers in order to get the best speaker that will meet your needs for sound output. Number 7. DS18 6.5 Audio Door Speakers for Car. DS18 is a company with a focus on creating audio equipment for automobiles. The best-rated car speakers from the manufacturer are the DS18 6.5-foot audio door speakers. The speakers can effectively create stereo surround sound effects. The middle driver, which produces excellent vocal and musical reproduction, is the most crucial component of the speakers. The driver is also in charge of creating crystal-clear audio for various sound wave spectral ranges. The speakers can effectively cover a wide range of audio because they feature 480W peak power and 140W RMS power. The speaker's 1.5-inch Captain voice coil can resist high temperatures, and the bullet dust cover increases their toughness. The sensitivity is 95 dB, and the frequency range is 85 Hz to 6 kHz. The cone's bullet resonator improves the output quality of the sound. A black stamped steel basket is also included for the speaker's protection after mounting. Number 6. Boss 4-inch Audio Systems Car Speakers. Boss is a premium audio speaker company that offers a variety of speakers, amps, and automotive radio systems. 4-inch Boss audio systems, despite being quite small, car speakers produce loud sounds. Polyurethane cones are used in Boss speakers because they improve longevity and generate excellent sound. The better voice coil is heat resistant and maintains its characteristics for continuously outstanding output for continuous extended playtime. Additionally, the surround rubber design improves longevity and sound transmission. Without a crossover, the better piezoelectric tweeter can handle overloads. The speaker's baskets have been stamped to make them robust and produce audio waves that are free from distortion. The impedance is 4 ohms, and the frequency range is 100 Hz to 18 kHz. In terms of peak power, it has a respectable 225 watts of output power at its highest. For those who buy the speakers from Amazon online, a 3-year guarantee is included. Number 5. Skar Audio Elite Coaxial Car Speakers. Skar Audio is an exclusive brand of automotive audio equipment, including speakers and amplifiers. Skar Audio 6.5-foot Elite Coaxial Car Speakers can replace OEM speakers in your vehicle if you want powerful bass. The users of the two-way speakers can enjoy a surround sound experience. The speaker's 45 Hz to 20 kHz frequency range offers accurate sound reproduction for all sound notes. For continuous transmission of incredible sound, the peak power is 200 watts and the RMS power is 100 watts. A higher spectrum of sounds are successfully produced by the 1-inch silk dome tweeter. The speaker's sensitivity is 89 dB, which is a little lower than the typical 90 dB for automobile speakers. The enhanced performance and increased lifespan of the 1 1/4-inch copper voice coil. For precise and accurate sound reproduction, the speakers contain a ferrite motor and a glass fiber cone. Excellent tweeter for strong, smooth sound. Superior construction for clean treble and powerful bass. Cones made of glass fiber are more rigid and lighter. The air vibrates thanks to copper voice coils. Number 4. Pioneer G-Series Coaxial Car Stereo Speakers. One of the top audio speaker manufacturers in the world, Pioneer constantly creates high-performance speakers. The best vehicle speakers to choose are Pioneer 6-1/2-foot G-Series coaxial car stereo speakers if you want high-quality sound output. The speakers fall within the stereo and full-range output categories. For brief bursts, each speaker's max power of 300 watts is sufficient. The RMS power for each speaker is 40 watts, which is not particularly noteworthy for amplified output.
The polypropylene cone has little deformation and does not absorb moisture. Additionally, the speakers are durable thanks to their rubber-coated surface. The frequency range, which spans a wider audio spectrum and generates precise sound waves, is 31 Hz to 18 kHz. The card speaker industry standard for impedance is 4 ohms. The sensitivity of 89 dB is slightly less than that of the majority of its rivals. However, the exclusive spider suspension technology improves audio reproduction and provides better sound quality. You'll find a set of alphasonic earphones in the box. Number 3. Pyle 6.5-inch mid-bass speaker system. Another well-known name in the production of audio systems is Pyle. The business has been providing excellent vehicle and home audio products. The Pyle 6.5-inch mid-bass speaker system is the greatest car speaker system from Pyle if you want bass. The speaker system is a member of the Gearx line, which features cutting-edge speakers created for exceptional output. A larger range of frequencies, from 60 to 20 kHz, are covered by the mid-bass woofer. For a seamless and crystal-clear audio experience, it can provide loud but detailed notes. The speaker's maximum power output is 300 watts, and its impedance is 4 ohms. The 1-inch aluminum voice coil keeps the structure's integrity while withstanding intense heat. Additionally, it guarantees a rich sound output and little distortion. Cadmium polypropylene is used in the speaker system's cone for rigidity. For longevity, the speakers also have a rubber surround cover. Additionally, the company offers a 30-day money-back guarantee on the item. Number 2. JBL Premium 6.5-inch coaxial speakers. One of the most well-known speaker manufacturers is JBL, and everyone is aware of how excellent its speakers sound. The JBL GTO 629 Premium 6.5-inch coaxial speaker is the company's top vehicle speaker in terms of sound quality and deep bass. The carbon-injected speakers have bigger cones for greater bass, yet having the standard 6.5-inch dimension. No matter where the speakers are placed, the realistic sound quality is achieved by the revolutionary uni-pivot tweeter, which directs sound waves in the direction of your ears. Additionally, you can customize the tweeter's dual-level volume settings to your liking for greater sound quality. The speaker has a 3 ohm impedance, and a lower impedance smoothly gives more bass. The speaker's highest output power of 180 watts produces powerful audio. For realistic sounds, the stereo output mode is used. Furthermore, for clear output, the improved crossover components provide high and low sound notes to the speaker. The speaker's non-magnetic, carbon composite construction ensures their endurance even in challenging conditions. For improved stability, the speakers have a 2-inch mounting depth, 5 1/16-inch cutoff diameters, and 6 1/4-inch external diameters. Number 1. Rockford Fosgate Prime 6.5 coaxial speaker. A well-known name in the speaker manufacturing industry is Rockford Fosgate. The business is well known for its cutting-edge audio equipment that give customers a high-quality listening experience. The Rockford Fosgate R165X3 car speaker is a full-range vehicle speaker that comes with all required parts. Being a 3-way vehicle speaker, it uses a woofer, mid-range driver, and silk dome tweeter to produce sound in separate ways. Compared to your car's OEM speakers, this guarantees a high-quality audio experience. For a car speaker, the nominal impedance of 4 ohm is relatively typical. The 90-watt peak output is excellent for managing brief bursts without blowing. The speaker is pretty potent considering its RMS power handling of 45 watts. The 6.5-inch speaker's sensitivity is 91 dB, which amplifies the volume. 2 speakers and grills for durability and protection are included in the kit. Additionally, the speakers have a 2.15-inch mounting depth, and you will receive mounting gear. Low distortion is guaranteed by the polypropylene cones, and the speaker is an excellent alternative for factory speakers. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.